Hey everyone, it's your old pal Vive1, and boy have I got a treat for you. We're going on a journey today, a delicious adventure to a place you might not expect, Albania. Now I know what you're thinking, Albania? But trust me on this one, folks. This little slice of heaven nestled in the Balkans is a treasure trove of beauty, history, and culture just waiting to be discovered. Imagine towering mountains, crystal clear waters, and ancient ruins whispering tales of bygone eras. Get ready to dive into steaming plates of byrek, be swept away by the soulful sounds of traditional music, and experience the warm hospitality of the Albanian people. This isn't just a trip, it's a feast for the senses. So, loosen your belts, grab your appetites for adventure, and let's get this Albanian adventure started. Alright folks, buckle up because we're kicking things off with a visual feast. Albania's natural wonders. Let me tell you, these landscapes are so stunning, so breathtaking, they'd make even the most seasoned traveler weak in the knees. First up, we're venturing into the heart of the Albanian Alps, a place called Death National Park. Imagine towering peaks, emerald green valleys, and cascading waterfalls that look like they're straight out of a fairy tale. And nestled within this alpine paradise is the Valbona Valley, a hiker's dream come true. Picture yourself trekking through lush forests, meadows bursting with wildflowers, and alongside glacial rivers so clear you can see right through them. But hold on, because it gets even better. Ever heard of a place called the Blue Eye? No, it's not a superhero headquarters, though it could be. This natural spring gets its name from its incredibly vibrant blue water. And let me tell you, the pictures don't do it justice. The water is so clear and blue it almost doesn't seem real. It's like Mother Nature took a paintbrush and decided to create her masterpiece right here in Albania. And the best part? This is just a taste of the natural beauty that awaits you in Albania. So, pack those hiking boots, folks, because this is one adventure you don't want to miss. Okay, history buffs, get ready to geek out because Albania's historical and cultural sites are off the charts. We're talking ancient ruins, Ottoman-era architecture, and stories that'll transport you back in time. Our first stop takes us to Berat, a UNESCO World Heritage Site often called the City of a Thousand Windows. Picture this. White Ottoman-era houses cascading down a hillside, each with its unique charm and history. Next we're off to Gjirokastër, another UNESCO gem known for its stunning castle and well-preserved Ottoman architecture. This place is like stepping into a time capsule, with cobblestone streets, traditional houses, and an atmosphere that whispers tales of the past. And for a glimpse into Albania's ancient past, we're heading to Butrint. This archaeological park is home to ruins dating back to the Greek, Roman, and Byzantine periods. Imagine walking through the remains of an ancient amphitheater, marveling at the intricate mosaics and feeling the weight of history all around you. But the history doesn't stop there. Every corner of Albania is steeped in rich stories and cultural heritage, just waiting to be uncovered. So grab your history books and get ready to be transported back in time, because Albania's past is a story you won't soon forget. Alright, beach bums and sunseekers, it's time to trade those hiking boots for flip-flops because we're heading to the Albanian Riviera. Get ready for sparkling turquoise waters, pristine beaches, and a laid-back vibe that'll make you want to stay forever. First up, we're hitting the shores of Ksamil Beach. Imagine this, powdery white sand, crystal clear water that's perfect for swimming, and small islands just a stone's throw away. Next, we're off to Serenity, a vibrant coastal town known for its lively atmosphere and stunning views of the Ionian Sea. Picture yourself sipping on Albanian wine at a beachfront cafe, enjoying the freshest seafood, and soaking up the Mediterranean sun. And for a more secluded escape, we're venturing to Dermi Beach. This hidden gem boasts pristine shores, turquoise waters, and a tranquil ambiance that's perfect for relaxation. Imagine lounging on the beach, listening to the gentle waves crashing against the shore and feeling the stress melt away. But the Albanian coast is more than just beaches. It's a place where you can explore hidden coves, go for a refreshing swim in the crystal clear waters, and experience the warm hospitality of the locals. So grab your sunscreen, pack your swimsuit, and get ready for some serious relaxation, because the Albanian Riviera is calling. Now let's dive into the heart and soul of Albania, its unique culture and traditions. Trust me folks, this isn't your average European experience. From the moment you step foot in Albania, you'll be greeted with warm hospitality, infectious energy, and a way of life that's both fascinating and heartwarming. Let's start with the food, because, let's be honest, that's what I'm all about. Albanian cuisine is a delicious fusion of Mediterranean and Balkan flavors, with fresh ingredients and dishes that'll have you licking your plate clean. We're talking about flaky byrek pastries filled with savory cheeses and spinach, hearty tave kozi baked with lamb and yogurt, and the freshest seafood you can imagine. But Albanian culture goes beyond the plate. You'll be captivated by the traditional clothing with its intricate embroidery and vibrant colors. And get ready to tap your feet to the sounds of Albanian folk music, a lively mix of instruments and rhythms that'll get your heart racing. And the best part? Albanians are known for their warmth and hospitality. Don't be surprised if you're invited to share a meal, a story, or a laugh with the locals. It's all part of the Albanian experience. All right, adrenaline junkies, listen up. If you think Albania is just about pretty landscapes and ancient history, think again. This country is an adventure playground just waiting to be explored. First up, we're taking to the skies for a paragliding experience over Llogara Pass. Imagine soaring through the air with breathtaking views of the Albanian Riviera stretched out before you. Talk about an unforgettable experience. Next, we're hopping on a boat trip from Ksamil, where we'll explore hidden coves, swim in crystal clear waters, and maybe even do some dolphin spotting. But the adventure doesn't stop there. Albania is a kayaker's paradise with rivers, lakes, and coastlines just begging to be explored. Paddle through canyons, discover hidden waterfalls, and experience the tranquility of nature up close. And for those who like to dive a little deeper, Albania's coastline offers incredible scuba diving opportunities. Explore underwater caves, discover vibrant marine life, and experience the magic of the Adriatic Sea. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or just looking for a little excitement, Albania has something for everyone. So pack your sense of adventure, folks, and get ready to create some unforgettable memories. Now, my fellow travelers, it's time to venture off the beaten path and uncover some of Albania's best-kept secrets, its hidden gems. These are the places that'll take your breath away with their untouched beauty and tranquility. First up, we're taking a journey down the Shala River, a hidden paradise nestled deep within the Albanian Alps. Imagine emerald green waters, towering cliffs, and a sense of peace and quiet that's hard to find elsewhere. Next, we're embarking on an unforgettable ferry ride across Lake Ksamil. This scenic journey will take you through canyons, past traditional villages, and offer breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains. Imagine gliding across the water, the fresh mountain air filling your lungs, and the beauty of nature unfolding before your eyes. These hidden gems offer a glimpse into the authentic heart of Albania, away from the crowds and tourist traps. So, if you're looking for an experience that's a little different, a little more off the beaten path, then add these hidden gems to your Albanian itinerary. You won't regret it. So, you're ready to book that trip to Albania? Fantastic, but when's the best time to go? Well, my friends, Albania is a year-round destination with something special to offer in every season. Springtime in Albania is magical. The weather is mild, the wildflowers are in bloom, and the landscapes are bursting with color. It's the perfect time for hiking, exploring the countryside, and experiencing the country's natural beauty. Summertime is all about sunshine, beaches, and soaking up the Mediterranean vibes. Head to the Albanian Riviera for swimming, sunbathing, and enjoying the lively atmosphere of coastal towns. Autumn brings cooler temperatures, vibrant foliage, and a sense of tranquility. It's a great time for hiking, exploring historical sites, and enjoying the delicious flavors of Albanian cuisine. And for those who don't mind a little chill, winter in Albania offers a unique charm. Imagine cozying up by a fireplace in a traditional guest house, enjoying hearty Albanian meals, and maybe even hitting the slopes for some skiing or snowboarding. No matter when you choose to visit, Albania is sure to captivate your heart with its beauty, hospitality, and unique charm. Okay, fellow adventurers, let's talk practicalities. Here are some essential travel tips to make your Albanian adventure as smooth and enjoyable as possible. First things first, budget-friendly travel is totally doable in Albania. You'll find affordable accommodation options, delicious and inexpensive food, and transportation that won't break the bank. Speaking of transportation, getting around Albania is relatively easy. You can rent a car to explore at your own pace, hop on a bus to travel between cities and towns, or even take a scenic train ride. The official currency in Albania is the Albanian lek, but don't worry, you can easily exchange your currency upon arrival. And while Albanian is the official language, you'll find that English is widely spoken, especially in tourist areas. Safety-wise, Albania is a generally safe country for travelers. However, as with any destination, it's always a good idea to be mindful of your surroundings and take necessary precautions. And last but not least, come hungry. Albanian cuisine is a delicious fusion of flavors and ingredients, and you'll want to try everything. So there you have it, your essential guide to planning an unforgettable Albanian adventure. Well folks, there you have it. We've explored towering mountains, pristine beaches, ancient ruins, and tasted the delicious flavors of Albania. We've delved into the heart of its culture, experienced the warmth of its people, and discovered hidden gems that'll stay with us long after we've left. Albania is a country that surprises you, delights you, and leaves you wanting more. It's a place where adventure awaits around every corner, where history whispers through ancient stones, and where the beauty of nature takes your breath away. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your Albanian adventure today. And don't forget to share your experiences with us in the comments below. We want to hear all about your favorite places, your most memorable moments, and your Albanian adventures. So, which of these incredible Albanian destinations has stolen your heart? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this Albanian escapade, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to World Tour Journey for more incredible travel adventures. And hey, hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our next global adventure. From the bottom of my travel-loving heart, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next journey.